this is random like you, and this is an upscale AI that you can use really easy. So first you define an place on your Google Drive. I called this folder just upscale, just in your Google Drive. Then you click up the first cell. It will be build a connection to your drive. That will take some seconds. And then we can actually connect to this AI and put our image in this folder here. I put one example image here. You can also put 10 or 100 images. You would just put it into this folder that, for example, I called upscale. You have to make this folder by yourself. Now it's done here, so you have to click on this link, connect with your Google Drive. I click on this drive here. Okay, now I got this code. I will copy that, go back here, click here, enter your authorization code, put it in, and enter. So now you're connected, and now we are going to this part of upscaling. It is super easy. In the basic form, you just write down here in this cell this direction how I told. I create the folder upscale, so I call it upscale. And then where here this image will be found in your drive to upscale, and then it has also to come back in the bigger resolution, and this will be in my case also upscale. So here is everything done. You don't need to go to this advanced settings, but if you want, you can go there. Everywhere is a description. You would just press play, and then it was it. If your image is ready, it will be stop running here. If this is the case, you can go to your folder in Google Drive. You can also check here. Right now it's running. It's upscaling. It detected just one image, and this is also correct. Now it's done. And it will be saved in this folder. Now we can go to this folder, and now there should be 2 images. Maybe we have to wait a second. Amazing. So now we have 2 images and one is upscaled. And I can show you a quick example that I made before, and I just prepared it here. So we have this image. This is the original one. This is the This is the version that is upscaled. Let's take a deeper look on that. So let's zoom in just a little bit. Same here. Okay, now we start seeing here pixels, but here not. Let's go to a different position here, a little deeper. Now we will do the same here. And just go a little deeper. Yeah, maybe like that. It could be that this is nearly the same image. Maybe I have to zoom a little more. Yeah, but how you see here, you can still see no pixels or really less, but here everything is really pixel. Alright, this is the hidden gem number 2. And have fun by this upscale AI.